I'm humbled and honored to present live on stage Pakistani Culture Today, brought to you by Pakoli. I am Jamal Mohsin, a writer and founding member of Pakoli, which is Pakistani American Community of Long Island. Pakistan, with a population of 240 million people, is home to a multitude of ethnic groups, each with its own language, traditions, and culture practices. There are four major ethnic groups that represent their provinces or region. The preservation of these distinct identities contribute to Pakistan's rich cultural mosaic. Let's meet the faces and places of Pakistan. KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, located in the northwestern region of the country, is a major fruit-producing province of Pakistan, the land of hospitality, mesmerizing landscapes, comprehensive culture, astonishing history, legendary conquerors, and a hub of tourism. This was KPK, and now I'm going to introduce you our another region called Balochistan, the largest in area of four provinces of Pakistan. Balochistan is known for its long coastal belt, which extends from Karachi all the way to Iran. It is also popular for its hilltop and rugged mountainous terrain. Balochistan is called the fruit basket of the country too. This was our Balochistan, and now I'm going to introduce you another province called Sindh, which is the richest province, and before partition it was the richest province, and even in ancient times it was the richest. Sindh has always been known for business. Karachi is located here and is the financial and industrial hub, as it is the largest city in the country and the 12th largest in the world. Yeah. So this was Sindh, and now Punjab, which is the heart of Pakistan and cultural capital, the land of 5 rivers. It is the most fertile and populous province of Pakistan. There are many historical tourist places. It is also an important place for Sikhs, where thousands make their pilgrimage every year. So this was Punjab, the Maulajad. Okay. Karachi, which is the largest city, is famous for the birthplace of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, a barrister, a politician, and the founder of Pakistan. He revered in Pakistan as Qaid-e-Azam, which is great leader, Baba-e-Qaum, which is father of nation. I'll read something while you are preparing. We have many great people from Pakistan. Other notable Pakistanis include Abdul Sattar Edhi, the Mother Teresa of Pakistan, who founded world's largest volunteer ambulance network, along with his shelter homes and orphanage. We have Malala Yousafzai, the youngest Nobel laureate and Pakistani right activist. We have Sharmeen, who is a double Oscar winner. She is known for highlighting and raising voice against social issues. But today, we are all Pakistani. I am Pakistani. You are Pakistani. We are all Pakistani. Yeah.
पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। तू तो मेरी जान है, तू तो मेरी आन है, तू मेरा ईमान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। गुलशन हो या पर्वत हो, हमसे कोई दूर नहीं। गुलशन हो या पर्वत हो, हमसे कोई दूर नहीं। दिल कहता है तारीफ करे, हर गोशा है आप हंसी। दिल जिसकी तारीफ करे, हर गोशा है आप हंसी। सूरज है सावन की ज़मीन, सूरज है सरहद की ज़मीन, चांद बलोचिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। तू तो मेरी जान है, तू तो मेरी आन है, तू मेरा ईमान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। पाकिस्तान अकीदा भी, पाकिस्तान यकी भी है। पाकिस्तान अकीदा भी, पाकिस्तान यकी भी है। पाकिस्तान नजरिया भी, पाकिस्तान ज़मीं भी है। पाकिस्तान नजरिया भी, पाकिस्तान ज़मीं भी है। रंग बिरंगी दुनिया में, रंग बिरंगी दुनिया में इसकी पहचान है। पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। तू तो मेरी जान है, तू तो मेरी आन है, तू मेरा ईमान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। मैं भी पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है। तू भी पाकिस्तान है। पाकिस्तान हूँ, तू भी पाकिस्तान है।
This was the patriotic song "मैं भी पाकिस्तान तू भी पाकिस्तान." It's composed most famously by Waris Shah. It is based off of the true and tragic love story of Heer Ranjha. They were from different tribes while unable to freely live out their lives together as husband and wife, as they had to long far for. They now share their tomb in death. Famous song from movie Heer Ranjha, Sun Vanjali Di Mitri Taan. I translated to listening to the sweet melody of the flute. I am mesmerized by you.
हो गई कुर्बान। नजरानी जान पहचान वे मैं हो गई कुर्बान वे मैं हो गई कुर्बान वे।
इसके बाद दो और सॉन्ग, दो दो मिनट है। नहीं, दो सॉन्ग और हैं।
गोई पास चढ़ी जवानी वाली रुत वे जिन साडी इक होई पावे दो बुत वे। गोई पास चढ़ी जवानी वाली रुत वे जिन साडी इक होई पावे दो बुत वे पावे दो बुत वे। मैंने अपने तो बखरी न जान वे मैं हो गई कुर्बान वे मैं हो गई कुर्बान वे। ताक ताक तेनू मेरे नैन नहीं रचदे तेरे बिना बुलियां ते आस नहीं सजदे। ताक ताक तेनू मेरे नैन नहीं रचदे तेरे बिना बुलियां ते आस नहीं सजदे आस नहीं सजदे। शाबानी तू जवानी मान वे हो गई कुर्बान वे हो गई कुर्बान। थैंक यू।
Hello. This was our Pakistani Romeo and Juliet, Heer Ranjha's song, romantic song. But Pakistanis are very romantic, and being a Pakistani means having a lot of emotions, traditions, and cultures, especially when it comes to a wedding ceremony. Marriage is not a 1 or a 2-day event in Pakistan. Pre-wedding ceremonies are just as important. The marriage season in Pakistan is considered the best time for everyone to have fun with family and everyone around. One of the biggest hits of 80s, Mera Long Gawacha, literally meaning is my lost nose pin, is a traditional Punjabi engagement song. This folk song was immortalized by the rendition of film star Musarrat Nazir.
is Asim Malik, and I am the General Secretary of Pakistan American Community of Long Island, Pakoli. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to North Hempstead Town Supervisor Jennifer DeSena, Commissioner Kimberly, and the Town Board for hosting the Asian American Festival 2024. Pakoli sincerely appreciates the effort of its director and executive committee in showcasing a vibrant cultural presentation for our various provinces of Pakistan. I am confident the audience will thoroughly enjoy this colorful display. The presentation is headed by our Vice President Salman Sheikh and founding member Jamal Mohsin. The directors are participating in this vibrant showcase are our directors. Let's put our hands together to give a round of applause to all of our male and female directors who have come here this afternoon to represent their
Don't
motherland.
forget to like, comment and subscribe.